Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to Easy English Learning. In this video, you'll hear real-life conversations about how to order pizza step by step at Domino's in the United States. Listen carefully and answer the question, what toppings are added on their pizza?
Wow, Domino's!
Yup. Ready for your first American pizza?
I am, but honestly, I've never ordered pizza in English before.
Really?
Not even once.
Don't worry. You'll do great. Remember when we were university classmates in Japan?
Of course.
Back then, I couldn't even order ramen by myself.
That's true.
I still remember standing in front of the ticket machine. Everything was in Japanese. I just kept pressing random buttons.
You accidentally ordered extra noodles, extra pork, and the largest bowl.
Exactly. The restaurant owner looked at me like, can she actually finish all that?
And you did.
Barely. Then you rescued me and explained everything. So today, it's my turn to help you.
Thanks, Lucy. That makes me feel much better.
Great. Let's go inside first. I'll explain everything before you order.
Sounds good.
Let's have a look at the menu on Domino's app. First, there are two easy ways to order pizza. The first way is to choose a specialty pizza. These are pizzas that Domino's already designed.
So I don't need to choose every topping?
Exactly. Some popular ones are pepperoni pizza, veggie pizza, Hawaiian pizza, spicy chicken pizza, deluxe pizza, and cheesesteak pizza. You simply choose one.
That sounds easy.
Very easy. But there's another option called build your own pizza. That means you create your own pizza from scratch.
That sounds much more interesting. I'd like to try the hard way.
I knew you'd say that. Okay, let's build your own pizza. The first thing you'll choose is the crust.
What's a crust?
The crust is the outside edge and the base of the pizza. Different crusts taste different. Here are some common choices. Hand-tossed. This is soft, chewy, and probably the most popular. Parmesan stuffed crust. This crust has melted cheese inside. Crunchy thin crust. Very thin and crispy. New York style. Big slices that you can fold. Very popular in New York. Gluten-free crust. Made for people who avoid gluten. Handmade pan pizza. Thicker, fluffy, and baked in a pan.
Wow, there are more choices than I expected. I think I'll choose hand-tossed.
Good choice. Next come the toppings.
What are toppings?
Toppings are all the ingredients that go on top of the pizza. There are lots of choices. For me, you can choose pepperoni, ham, beef, Italian sausage, grilled chicken, Philly steak, or bacon.
What's Philly steak?
It's thin slices of seasoned beef. It's inspired by the famous Philadelphia cheesesteak sandwich.
That sounds delicious.
For vegetables, you can choose onions, mushrooms, black olives, pineapple, spinach, green peppers, tomatoes, and many more.
Can I mix meat and vegetables?
Absolutely. That's the fun part. Now let's talk about sizes. Usually you can order small, medium, large, or extra large. A large pizza is usually perfect for 2 hungry people.
Then let's order a large one.
Perfect. Let's review. What are you going to order?
A large pizza, hand-tossed crust, Philly steak, mushrooms, black olives, pineapple, and green peppers.
Excellent. You're ready.
Hi there. Welcome to Domino's. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like to build my own pizza, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
Large, please.
Great. What crust would you like?
Hand-tossed, please.
No problem. What toppings would you like?
Philly steak, mushrooms, black olives, pineapple, and green peppers, please.
Great choice. Anything else today?
No, that's all.
Your total comes to $36.44.
I'll pay. Can I use a coupon code?
Of course. Go ahead. Great. Your 20% discount has been applied. Your new total is $29.15.
Perfect. I'll pay by credit card.
Payment approved. Your order will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Wow, I can't believe I did it. I just ordered my very first pizza in English.
And you did an amazing job. You answered every question perfectly.
Thanks for teaching me everything first. I don't think I could have done it alone.
Next time, you'll probably order without my help.
I hope so. This was actually fun.
Learning English becomes much easier when you use it in real life.
I completely agree.
Before we eat, let me teach you one more phrase. In Italian, people often say, buon appetito. It means, enjoy your meal.
Bon appetito? Did I say it correctly?
Perfect. Now, buon appetito.
Bon appetito?
Have you found the answer? Let me mention the question one more time. What toppings are added on their pizza? If you know the answer, please leave it in the comment section. If you'd like to see more video like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.